John man hungry now.
I'm not trying to share that. Yo, man, can't take my life no more. One life a tough, you know that. I say, man, I want some work, though, dog. Dog, where they find? You know, see, man, rich. Rooch, dog. Rooch? Yes, man. Hey, man, when man have links, dog. Holy power, dog, man, tell me, dog. I say, man, your page there, man, there.
Yeah, man, go on, man.
I mean, dog, them things you not talk about, dog.
Man,
Yo, man, get work, dog. Everything cool, dog. Like, you big girl, the deal, man, clean, dog. Want you, dog. Yo, the song come to charge, bro. Link.
You can't walk on, you not get no work.
Yo, Rooch! Rooch! What go on there, summer? Yo, Mr. Rooch! How that, man? Me, man. Me. Oh, dog, you know, see some work, man, come link up on, dog. Come on, if you understand, so, dog, I have a whole line work links, you know, dog. Dog, man, want some work, you know, dog. It's tough, you know, I go time, you know, dog. Mr. Rooch, I beg you, do, sir. So you can pull a string for me, you know, sir. So, wait. Out of door me live. Come inside there, so young man. Yo, good morning, Mr. Roach. What can I help you with now, young man? What type of work you want? Well, Mr. Roach, I want to try to share, say, I'm doing a little thing around town, Mr. Roach, because I don't know, no man have all 10 subjects and them things, Mr. Roach. I'm telling you, clean up all the dog dude, Mr. Roach, without no gloves, you know. I tell you that, you know, a work man want, you know, Mr. Roach. 10 subjects. What is your name? Joe, man. Joe. Straight. Yes, man. Spell it for me so I can add it to the payroll. What's my take me for idiot, you know, man. You know, too much out of me, you know, that. Too much out of me, man. Gio, man. Yeah, man, the Joe, man. Joe, man. Yeah, yes, man. You sure you name Joe? Alright, I have something for you. Well, since as you so bright that you have 10 subjects, and one thing in this room, brighter than you right now, Mr. Joe, is that light bulb there. So as soon as possible, as you can blow that bulb, you can come back for a job. Yes, man, right, boss. Ready, man, ready. Hi, yeah. Yes, man.